By the rivers gently flowing, Illinois, Illinois, by the prairies verdant growing, Illinois, Illinois, comes an echo on the breeze, rustling through the leafy trees, and its mellow tones are these, Illinois, Illinois, and its mellow tones are these, Illinois. Not without thy wondrous story, Illinois, Illinois, can be writ the nation's glory, Illinois, Illinois. On the record of the years, Abraham Lincoln's name appears, Grant and Logan and our tears, Illinois, Illinois, Grant and Logan and our tears, Illinois. 1818 saw your founding, Illinois, Illinois, and your progress is unbounding, Illinois, Illinois. Pioneers once cleared the land where great industries now stand. World-renowned you do command, Illinois, Illinois. World-renowned you do command, Illinois. Let us pledge in final chorus, Illinois, Illinois, that in struggles still before us, Illinois, Illinois, to our heroes will be true, as their vision we pursue, in abiding love for you, Illinois, Illinois, in abiding love for you, Illinois.